guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is what I love going home, guys. I have to see my chicken. Come here! Nuki! My Nuki. He is Nuki. This one is Bakiki. Come here. This is what I love, guys, coming home. I miss home. I miss my chicken. Dati, before ko umalis, 1 month ago. Maliit pa ito ngayon, malaki na. Wow! Come! Krrrr! Look at this. Look at that. You see how handsome? Yes. Nuki! Makuiki! Come here. Nuki! Nuki! Nukiki, come here. Ming! My new hired cat. My new hired cat. Miming! How are you? Oh. How are you? O saan ba?
Jiro mga kunak pa, bahog si Nate kunak pa. Kunak ka na ni ko ni Jiro kay dire mo to Jiro. Pwede ka diyan.
Guys, I will show you our lansones, guys. We have, oh my god, our lansones. Wow, look at this, guys. Wow, dami niya, oh, praise the Lord. Thanks God. Thanks God. Malaki na yung mga lansones namin. Look at this, guys. What? Look at that. Kaya lang, yung ano namin, guys, yung durian, konti na lang kasi lagi po umuulan dito sa Davao. See? Konti na lang yung naitirang bunga. Konti na lang natirang bunga. Lagi kasing umuulan, so every time umuulan, nahuhulog yung mga bulaklak. Kahit na naging ano na siya, kahit medyo malaki na, nahuhulog pa rin siya. Kasi nga, pag umuulan, my cat is, somebody is Miming, she's not well. Bakit ito? Kunti lang ang isa lang. Tsaka kunti lang, Come here. Come. Why you need to run? Kawawa naman yung pusa ko, Parang nasagasaan ata siya. Krrrk! Kay. Nuki! 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 Nuki, come here, Nuki.